DJI Air 3S, first flight. Again, got that coming up next. Village Unreviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. My replacement DJI Air 3S has finally arrived, and I finally had enough time to get it out for its first flight. I want to let a note here before we get into the flight is that I did all the firmware updates. I also did all of the calibrations. I've also formatted both the SD card and internal storage. This flight, I will be using the SD card for video footage. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to take the DJI Air 3S up for its first flight. This is the replacement drone here. Screen recording is already underway here. I'm going to go ahead and start the camera. It's going to be shooting in 4K 30. I have formatted the SD card. I have done all the firmware updates, and I have done all the calibrations. So we're all set. We have 20 satellites. We're good to go. Let's go ahead and take off here. Okay, let's get it up to about 100 feet. And it's early morning, so it's wonderful in terms of temperature. It's probably in the low 70s or mid 70s right now. It's real nice. Let's go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. And we'll go ahead and point it in this direction. All right, we're going to fly over. I'm going to adjust the gimbal just a little more here. There we go. Fly over the clubhouse here. It's early morning, so there's not a lot of activity up here. Unfortunately, my mic 2 wouldn't pair with my smartphone this morning, so I'm using it just with the mic 2 itself. Go ahead and spin around here through the parking lot. And now we're going to go ahead and go up the main boulevard here. And again, I'm shooting in 4K 30. See, there's a little bit of fog out in the distance there. Everything looking good on the viewfinder. I'm not going to be trying a whole lot with this flight. I'm just trying to get it in the books where the video doesn't stutter this time around. I think we'll be good, but let's go ahead. We're going to go down 19th Avenue here. And we're going to turn around at 301. Everything looks good so far. 91% battery, 22 satellites, 108 feet, or 33 miles an hour. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stop. Let's go ahead and we're going to go back down 19th Avenue this way here. I usually don't fly this time of day, which I should start doing because the temperature is much better this time of day. And you can see there is a little bit of fog up here, even at 100 feet. You can see it in the distance. Signal strength is good. Coming to the end of the page portion of 19th Avenue. Signal strength still very good here. Okay, we're coming up to Bill Tucker Road and we're going to stop. And now we're going to go ahead and spin around here. Again, we're really not going to try anything like master shots or just any other kind of extra activities here. My main focus in this first flight is to ensure there is no video stutter. And we're going to go ahead from this point, we're going to go ahead and do a return to home here.
Return to home.
And we'll see how that works. I wanted to not be on top of the home point and get it back to come home here. I just want to make sure that this works as well too. It's interesting, first time I'm noting there's a countdown timer in the scrolling message up at the top that tells you how long it's going to take to do the return to home. Let's go ahead and adjust the gimbal here.
Landing.
See how we do here with landing. We're looking pretty spot on here. Okay, we hit the mat. It was pretty much a spot-on landing here, and I would deem this a successful first flight of the DJI Air 3S replacement. Question of the day: what did you think of DJI Air 3S first flight again? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.